Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are just coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Ace and you are welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, we'll be making this crunchy and sweet chicken together. And if you want to know how I prepare it, please keep on watching to the very end of this video and don't forget to thumbs up. Okay. So these are my flowers. So I just save it. Start with this. As time goes on, I will add more to it. So add my sugar. Then I'll go ahead and add my butter. Yes, I'm using this butter because I know I'm going to add more flour to it. And I also use 4 eggs here because I'm making a lot of chicken. So I have my levito. Then I stir with this spoon. Just stir the before. So I start to use my hand to mix. This is the actual part that is very hard in making chicken. This part and the cutting part. So you have to mix very well for the butter to mix. Then you start to add your milk. If you have powder milk, you can add it. Then you add water. But here I'm using liquid milk. So I just add it section by section because I don't want it to be too soft because I'm going to be adding more flour to it. So now I'm going to transfer to the table so that I will mix very well. Just transfer everything to the table, mix thoroughly so that everything will just go out of your hand. You see that everything is out of my hand and out of the table. So I just leave it for 30 minutes to cool down, keep it somewhere in the house, cool place. So here I'm going to roll and cut the chicken. You have to roll and cut. This is the part that I don't actually like because it takes a long of time. You see, I have to cut it with this. My pizza cutter is very simple if you use this, but if you decide to cut it all by yourself, it will take longer time. So I use this pizza cutter. You can cut it with knife, anyone you prefer, but I prefer using this pizza cutter. It helps a lot with the cutting. So this is it, just doing it. So I finished cutting, so I'll add it to my oil. So this time, you know what, guys? This is going to come together. After adding it to the oil, then we separate themselves eventually. Yes, that is the thing. So this is my chicken. Keep on watching. I'm still in here. So you see what I was talking about? They have separated themselves like that. So it has begun to dry. I'll just stir it together because this chicken, there's one thing that I noticed. The oil will keep on foaming, so you need to be alert all the time because so that the oil here will. So guys, this is my chicken all ready to eat. So I just tasted it. Look how dry it is. It's fully dry and crunchy, so sweet. The sugar, everything is just perfect for it. So I just take it out and do justice with it. So this is the outcome of it. Just transfer all of them to this beautiful bowl. Look at that. Look at this chicken is so yummy. Yes, it's so yummy. I say it. It was so sweet. So we really enjoy it every time. If you really want to enjoy chicken, man, just take a little chicken, add a little granite to it. I bet you will come back for more. If you have watched to this extent and you enjoy watching, thank you very much and God bless you. So I'm going to transfer it to this my jar. I have this 2 jar. So if it's not enough, I'm going to add the other jar to it. Thanks for watching, guys. I know you will love it, and please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video. Bye for now. See you in my next one.